I just want to show y'all what I did. I cleaned it up, sanded it down, evened it out, fit the pan, and I put PRR 15 on here, and it's tacky now. See that it's tacky, and this is hard as nails, liquid nails. This stuff right here. I got the really big one. I don't think I need that big one though. I got a small one that I used. It's over there. So now I'm getting ready to spread this out. You know, like I said, I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I just know that I do not want to I don't want to cut this out. I don't. So let's just pray. If any moisture does get in there, the what do you call that? The chassis saver. Some people y'all call it port 15. I use chassis saver. And hopefully it'll fill it up. So I'm gonna put some more in there and put as much goop as I can in there. And I've redone my hose so that my well go through, and I don't know if the well gonna hold or not. I know it's gonna be a messy well, but I'm gonna clean that out. I'm gonna put it up there, clean it out, and make the well go through. I mean the hole through. Clean the hole out all the way to the metal. Then what a mess. This is a mess. Pete would have a field day with this. But this is some good metal. I done went through it before, so let me finish this up before it get dry. I'll talk to y'all later.